eTrac was designed specifically for the rail sector, and it gives the users a platform to be able to present asset information on a geospatial platform. You can then take that information and manipulate it in a number of ways, one of which is to be able to generate two-dimensional engineering drawings. The eTrac product itself allows users to be able to take the data that they've collected, upload it into the system, then it'll present it as a series of icons. You can then use those icons to drag and drop and move information around a canvas, and ultimately to be able to access that information in live, real time. So a good example of that would be if you had a track worker that was working track side and they found a drain cover to be missing. The way that would be reported currently would be through a piece of paper which would go back to a depot, and probably a week or so later the rest of the workforce would get to find out about it. So in this particular instance, what would happen is a trackside worker would use a tablet which has access to the eTrac software, so they'll be able to pass that information onto the depot, and that information would then play back so anybody else coming into the area would know that there was a hazard. The sort of information that eTrac can handle specifically for the rail industry is everything from track layout through to signals, bridges, structures, and general hazards at trackside. The software itself is a web-based solution, and the purpose of that obviously means that anybody can get access to it using any device. It resizes itself, so it doesn't matter whether you're using smartphones or tablets to be able to access the information. The technology and the algorithms behind it and the workflows were designed specifically by eTrac with, in this case, the rail sector in mind. The information that eTrac is gathering can be used in a variety of different ways going forward, anything from preventing accidents in the industry right through to more effective planning and management of the rail infrastructure, which ultimately will lead to some big savings to the government. Catapult's a real opportunity for the country to be able to get behind tech startup businesses and to be able to demonstrate what this country is really capable of. eTrac has been described as a real game changer for the UK railways. It's ultimately there to save money, time and lives.